Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we are going to install our running boards and you are going to see how. And if you're not a subscriber, please remember to subscribe. Alright guys, so as you can see right behind me, we have the running boards on the floor. We have the hardware kit all the way in the back. I highly doubt you can see that, but we do have it there. So what we're gonna do is take our time, do one side, and after doing one side, I'm sure you'll get the gist on how to do the other side. It's the same exact thing. So let's get started. So in the instructions, it clearly states that these are for the fronts, those are the center brackets, and those are the two rear brackets. And then you have the hardware and accessories right over there. So let's get started. Basically what we're gonna do first is remove these body bolts. So 1, 2, 3. So now what you're gonna do is take this bracket, take the bolt with the bushing, remove the body mount, take the bolt, put it through, and then put back the body mount in place. Then you just hand tighten it and leave it loose. And just let it hang there. Just leave it loose. So guys, this is what it's gonna look like after the brackets are installed hand tight first. The one in the rear is facing out, the one in the center is poking out, and the one all the way in the driver's side is facing out as well. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they're all supposed to face out, like this. Now we're gonna pick up the running board, use the hardware, and install them. Alrighty guys, that was the episode on how to put in the running boards. They were very easy, not that hard. The truck looks amazing now. We can finally reach our truck and step into it. Helps for our short people, unlike this guy over here. He's very lucky for being his height.
I don't need that. I don't need that.
But I do. So, seeing as how I am the owner of the truck and I'm small, I got myself some running boards, and
They look fresh though.
They gonna run forever. They're the boards that run. But anyway, John, is there anything you gotta say?
Yeah, it's past my bedtime.
Oh yeah, he helped me up. He has work tomorrow, but it's alright though. Alright, so thank you all for watching this episode. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Also hit that bell notification on top to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you all for watching. The DeWalt toolset giveaway will be coming soon as I hit the big 500. And then you guys can help me get up to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Help this channel get monetized, and I can finally put a supercharger in this bad boy. Anything you want to say, Jumbo?
Good night.
Good night. Ah.